Dalgona Milo is sweet Milo made by whipping instant Milo with sugar and hot water and served over cold milk.
Ingredients:
1 sachet Milo, milk, hot water, sugar, and ice cube.
The tools used are
Hand blender, cup, glass, and spoon.
how to make it.
First, combine a Milo powder and sugar in a mixing cup. Next, put hot water and mix them well. Whisk it until the dalgona fluffy and creamy, about 10 until 15 minutes. Add a little TBC or SP if you want a fluffy result. I use tokebi. It'll go by faster if you have a hand mixer, but a humble regular whisk, one powerful arm, and a good dose of patience and endurance will get you there too. The ice cube in a glass, then pour over the milk. Can be mixed with others. This time, I used full cream diamond milk. You can use any one. I love cold drink, so I make an iced dalgona, but you can definitely make it hot. It's works the same. Lastly, scoop out the whipped Milo on the top of the milk.